Hello everyone, Chad LaMonaco, Pioneer Water Treatment. Today we're talking about water treatment equipment noise. The noise created from a water softener, iron filtration system, or backwashing water filter. All of these systems need to either regenerate or backwash, which is going to create noise simply from water being sent to the drain. Now, a couple things that can happen is with an iron filtration system or single tank water softener, they must clean themselves in the middle of the night, typically set around 2 o'clock in the morning. The reason being is that they only have one tank. They cannot clean water for the home at the exact same time that they're cleaning themselves, which is why they do it typically in the middle of the night. Now, we can control what time they backwash. The only thing is you don't want to be using water in the middle of its backwash, which is why it's traditionally going to be around 2 o'clock in the morning. Now, one way that we can get away from that, if for any reason you're being woken up, we can either reprogram it for a different time, or for a water softener, you could go with a twin tank system. Twin tank water softeners have 2 tanks, so the second one tank needs to clean itself, it can simply alternate to the other tank. This allows you to have 24/7 soft water and also makes it so the system always cleans itself in the middle of the day as you're using water.